Hey, what is up, guys? It's Coach Williams. First of all, I just want to say I really do miss you guys, and I hope I, by some miracle we can see each other before the end of the year. It's crazy how the year ended up. I hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands, staying home, all the stuff they recommend, so you guys remain healthy. I just wanted to do like a few housekeeping things. I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of emails from you guys. First of all, the number one email is Mr. Williams. I messed up on the assignment. Can I resubmit? Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. If you would like to resubmit anything to me, you're going to have to do it on paper. Okay, so the first time you upload it on Classroom, let's say you got a 20. If you would like a 70, you need to do it on paper. Either print it out or you could just write all the math down to show me you know how to do the math. I don't want just answers. I want the math. Write it down on paper. Take a picture. Send me an email. Um, Send me an email with that picture attached, and then I'll send you an email back letting you know I received it and you got a 70. That is the only way we're doing corrections. I don't want you to go back in and redo it in Classroom. I want you to send me an email of a picture of the math. The second thing, before I get there, I do want to say, if you sent me an email saying, "Hey, I didn't watch the video, but I did the assignment and I failed it," well, yeah, uh, I didn't try my best. I did the assignment. I failed it. Yeah. Um, I didn't do the practice. I skipped through the practice. I did the assignment. I failed it. Can I redo it? Listen, you have to do the work. You have to watch the video. The videos are not long, at the most 5 or 10 minutes. Watch the video. Then from there, do the practice. And then from there, do the assignment. That gives you the best opportunity to get a 70 or above the first time. So you don't have to go back and redo it. If you did all that and you still did bad on it, it's okay. Just go back, figure out what went wrong, and do the math. Once you fix it, send me a picture of it. I'll fix the grade for you. Now, let's say you're struggling completely, and that brings me to my second thing. If you're struggling completely, I just sent a remind to your parents. If you're on remind, let me know, and we can schedule a one-on-one meeting Monday through Friday from 9 to 6. So anytime Monday through Friday from 9 to 6, let me know. I'll schedule you in for 30 minutes to an hour of one-on-one help. Of course, with your parents' permission. Don't do it without your parents knowing. I don't want any problems there. So make sure your parents know you're talking to Coach Williams about math work on Zoom. Um, so yeah, just email me or message me on Classroom. We'll set up a time. I'll send you the link, and then during that time, we'll have one-on-one help for um, for the assignment. Any more questions? Of course, you guys can email me or send me a private message or comment on the stream and Classroom. Either way, I receive it all. Some stuff I don't get to respond to. Some stuff I don't respond to because if you read the instructions, you wouldn't have that question. So I need you to read those instructions. Um, Otherwise, I do respond. So um, if you have any questions, let me know and I will get to you. If you need help, let me know. We can schedule a one-on-one meeting. If you need to resubmit, then take a picture and submit via email. Okay. Hope you guys are doing good. Hopefully, we see each other before end of the year. I miss you guys a lot. Have a good day.